Good evening. Our top story tonight is the ongoing relief effort in the aftermath
Of the devastating earthquake.
The ground shook so hard.
An earthquake has overwhelmed the city. Hospitals are in
I need saline and a chest x-ray, stat!
Pressure is dropping. Get the crash cart.
আস্তে আস্তে বের হচ্ছেন। ধন্যবাদ ভাই।
লাইনে থাকুন, সবাই পাবে। It's another one! Get out now!
This is the scene of devastation after the earthquake. Emergency crews are working tirelessly to find survivors. As the situation develops, emergency teams remain on the ground working around the clock.
Stay tuned for updates.